Want to save your important Facebook Messenger chats before switching devices or resetting your phone? In this video, we'll show you the best ways to back up Messenger on both iPhone and Android. Way 1. How to back up Messenger by downloading from Messenger Android iPhone. Log into Facebook, go to Settings, your Facebook information, download your information, select the data to download and click Request to download. You'll get to Folders, HTML for messages and posts and photos. Way 2. How to back up Facebook Messenger on Facebook.com Android iPhone. Open the chat, scroll up to load messages. When you see conversation started, select Alt+A and copy Ctrl+C, paste it into a text document, Ctrl+V, and save. Way 3. How to back up Facebook messages by taking a screenshot Android iPhone. Open Messenger, scroll through the conversation, and take screenshots, organize, and save them securely. Way 4. How to back up messages for Facebook via Google Drive Android. Copy your data, then open Google Drive and sign in. Select Upload File, upload, and choose the Messenger HTML file to back up. Way 5. How to back up Facebook Messenger expertly iPhone. When it comes to the best tool for backing up Messenger on iPhone, iOS Data Backup and Restore stands out for its exceptional reputation. This utility provides both standard and encrypted backup options, along with data preview features. Step 1. Start iOS Data Backup and Restore. Start by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Launch it and select iOS Data Backup and Restore from the main interface. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Step 2. Go for the iOS Data Backup option in the iOS Data Backup section. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Following this, ensure your iPhone is unlocked. Step 3. Select the backup mode. You'll be presented with two backup options: standard backup and encrypted backup. Choose the one that suits your needs and click Start. Step 4. Choose Messenger messages for backup. Select the types of data you want to back up by ticking the relevant boxes for your iPhone. For this purpose, make sure to select Messages and Attachments. Step 5. Backup Messenger messages. Click Next and choose the destination on your computer where you want to save the Facebook Messenger backup. The backup process will start immediately.